Tim, come in. Do sit down.
That's very formal.
Yes. This is an odd moment for me because I had this exact conversation with my father right after I turned 21, and after it my life was never the same, so I approached this with some nervousness.
Okay, when you're ready. This is all very mysterious.
Right. Tim, my dear son, the fact of the matter is the men in our family have always had the ability to, this is gonna sound strange. Be prepared for strangeness. Get ready for spooky time because our family has a secret. The secret is this. The men in our family can travel in time. Well, more accurately, we can travel back in time. We can't travel into the future.
That is such a weird joke, Dad.
It's seriously not a joke.
So you tell me you and Granddad and his brothers could all travel back in time?
Absolutely.
And they still can?
Absolutely. Although it's not as dramatic as it sounds. It's only in my life. I can only travel back to places where I was and can remember. I can't kill Hitler or shag Helen of Troy, unfortunately.
Oh, okay, stop. If this were true, which it isn't.
Although it is.
Although it isn't, obviously. But if it was, which it's not.
Which it is.
Which it isn't, but if it was real, how would I?
Well, the how. That's the easy bit, actually. You just go in a dark place. A closet will do generally, or a bathroom in a pinch, and clench your fists like this, and think of where you want to go, and you're there. After a stumble and a rumble and a tumble.
Wow.
That is as good a reaction as any. I believe I went with fuck, but it was the 70s.
But this is obviously a joke, right?
It's not a joke. Why would I lie to someone I'm fairly fond of?
Okay. But when I come back downstairs after having stood in my closet with my fists clenched, you're gonna be in so much trouble.
Let's wait and see then, shall we? And Tim, try and do something, interesting.
You're gonna be in so much trouble. I mean it. Really.